My breakfast, a giant Chinese-style burrito. This is so delicious. Let me show you how to make this giant Chinese-style breakfast burrito. Start with the batter. We need a cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half cup all-purpose flour. This batter is enough to make 2 wraps. Now we're gonna cook the meat and the vegetables. The bacon, marinate chicken, and a hot dog. Broccoli and cauliflower. A little bit of water. Meat and the vegetables. Now we're going to make the wrap. Cooking spray. Use the low heat. The batter in the pan. Freeze-dried chives. Once the wrap color starts to change, I'm gonna add 2 eggs. Time to flip it. I'm gonna use some sriracha sauce and spicy bean paste, hot dog, bacon, broccoli and cauliflower, chicken, a giant Chinese-style burrito. This is so delicious.